Today's business notes are brought to you by Community Bank, the better business bank.
Hello, I'm Stacy Smith, and in today's business notes, the stock market is heading into uncharted territory this week. The markets have already been hit, of course, with the businesses closing, at least temporarily, and some huge unemployment numbers. And now, this week, corporations begin reporting their quarterly earnings. Part of the sell-off in the stock market was investors factoring in potential losses by those corporations. But the question now is, did they factor in enough? And if they did not, how much will it drive the markets down? There already have been warnings. Hundreds of companies have changed or withdrawn their earlier projections on profits. Others have chosen not to issue stock dividends and take other actions to try to shore up their companies. And today, the Ford Motor Company indicated it will be posting around a $600 million loss for the first quarter. Ford also said it hopes to begin a phased restart of its operations in the second quarter. But there are companies that are doing well. People are at home, they are streaming, and that means an uptick in subscribers for Netflix. And in fact, Netflix stock hit a 52-week high today. And as far as Amazon goes, it is now going to allow third-party sellers back into its warehouses to resume shipping non-essential items. Amazon has been hiring tens of thousands of workers to meet the increased demand of online shopping, and now it feels it can begin to restock some of those non-essential items in its warehouses. Third-party sellers account for nearly 60% of Amazon's sales. There were more sellers than buyers on Wall Street today, but we did end up with a mixed market. Here now are the closing numbers. For the day, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is posting a loss of 328 points, but the tech-heavy NASDAQ finished the day on the positive side with a gain of 38 points. The S&P 500 gave up 28 points for the day. Later this week, the report on retail sales and also the report on unemployment for the week. Those two reports could move the markets later this week. We'll see. That's today's business notes. I'm Stacy Smith.